Welcome to Bez Reviews, where we break down the latest smart home tech. Today, we're diving into the Roborock Saros 10R, a robot vacuum and mop aiming to revolutionize your cleaning routine. This premium device packs serious power and intelligence into an ultra-slim design. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's explore how the Roborock Saros 10R performs in terms of cleaning power and its overall physical design. This is where many robot vacuums differentiate themselves. The Roborock Saros 10R really pushes the envelope with its cleaning capabilities and thoughtful design. From its powerful suction to its ability to navigate challenging spaces and clean edges, it aims to provide a very thorough cleaning experience. The slim form factor is a key advantage for homes with low-clearance furniture. The 22,000 Pa Hyperforce suction is exceptionally powerful, making it capable of thoroughly cleaning all floor types, easily tackling deeply embedded dirt and debris. The StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, combined with VertiBeam navigation, ensures precise mapping and easily avoids 108 obstacle types. The AdaptiLift chassis also handles 4 cm high obstacles. The FlexiArm riser side brush and mop automatically extends to reach challenging corners and under furniture, efficiently sweeping away dust and ensuring comprehensive coverage. Its ultra-slim 3.14-inch profile is a major advantage, allowing it to easily clean under low furniture like beds and sofas where bulkier robots cannot fit. Overall, this first chart shows that the Saros 10R brings serious cleaning power and intelligent design to the table, making it a strong contender for those needing comprehensive floor care. Next, we'll dive into the advanced automation and smart features that make the Saros 10R a truly hands-free cleaning solution. Its comprehensive dock really defines this category. This second chart highlights how the Roborock Saros 10R is designed to make your life easier through automation. The dock truly handles nearly everything, from cleaning the mop to emptying dust, ensuring the robot is always ready for its next job with minimal intervention from you. The smart features further enhance its utility. The 10-in-1 multifunctional dock 4.0 automates mop removal, hot water washing, hot air drying, and 60-day dust collection, providing truly hands-free maintenance. Equipped with zero-tangling duo-divide main brushes and anti-tangle omnidirectional wheels, this robot significantly reduces hair wrapping, a major benefit for pet owners. Smart features include the Hello Rocky voice assistant and an RGB camera for two-way pet video calls. The app offers extensive cleaning customization. Given its extensive, high-end features, the Saros 10R offers solid value for a premium robot. However, its price makes it a significant investment. Ultimately, this chart demonstrates that the Roborock Saros 10R prioritizes automation and smart convenience, especially with its advanced dock and pet-friendly camera features, making daily cleaning almost entirely effortless. The Roborock Saros 10R stands out as a top-tier robot vacuum and mop, especially for those seeking an ultra-slim design and unparalleled automation. Its powerful suction, precise navigation, and truly hands-free dock redefine convenient cleaning. While it comes at a premium price, the advanced features and comprehensive maintenance package offer a compelling solution for busy households. This robot delivers on its promise of an effortless, high-performance cleaning experience.